If you're a father, you need to be teaching your son at an early age the dangers of pornography. I read this study the other day that it said that a boy under the age of 10, when he's exposed to pornography, it increases the chances that he'll masturbate up to 4 times a day per day. If you're a father, you really need to teach your kids, you know, your boys and your girls, the dangers of pornography, because they're being exposed to it. They can see it on their friend's phone, and this stuff really can do a number on your kids. So I highly recommend, you have a talk with your kids about the dangers of it.